Hello everyone, this is Adarsh here from Be Practical Tech Solutions, and I would like to welcome you all for our Be Practical Tech Talk. I would like to welcome Dr. Gauri Shankar from Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology, well-known professor, author, and very good researcher. And sir, can you please introduce yourself so that it would be very grateful for our tech talk, and I'd like to welcome you.
My pleasure, Adarsh. So I like to thank the members of Be Practicals. So it is my pleasure to be here today interacting with you all. So as Adarsh said, I am Dr. Gauri Shankar, and currently I am working as a professor and Dean Industry Institute Interaction at Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology. And previously I also worked as senior research scientist at Honeywell Technology Solutions. So this is my background as far as my professional credentials are concerned. And for my education credentials are like I have done my PhD in Jadavpur University and MBA from IGNO, which is Indira Gandhi National Open University. And currently I am working in the field of data science, and me along with my research scholars, we are looking at various aspects of data science.
Nice. Very grateful to have you, sir, here. Can you briefly explain the background of data science and how you spend time on the data science?
Others, basically what I am doing is like I am in the academia as of now. So I have few research scholars who are working towards their PhD, and I also have a few students from PG stream who are doing their MTech in computer science and engineering, and also a few UG students BE in computer science engineering. So I have a team at Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology in our department, computer science and engineering. So we work together on various problems and aspects of data science. Currently, I am working in the field of the medical and how the various medical aspects are concerned as far as data science is concerned. So, and the applications of machine learning and deep learning in the field of medicine. So, these are the few aspects that we are working. And if you ask what is the end result of this work, so usually what we do is we publish the papers, our research work, the outcomes in various international journals and international conferences. So apart from this, if a new idea comes out, so we also have applied for patents from our group, and I'm happy to tell you that from our group we have like around 5-7 patents which we have already earned in the field of data science. So this is the kind of work that we are doing in our department as far as data science is concerned.
Nice. So what will be your suggestion for a researcher basically? So what are all things he need to practice in his career so that he can also develop his career in this data science field?
So when you say data science field, there are two aspects here. One is whether a person has to become a researcher or he wants to get into industry. So there are two aspects here.
That's a very good confusion.
So see, usually what happens is research is something, as far as Indian scenario is concerned, it is totally restricted to academia. So if you want to go into industry, so they have their own way of working. So you can't expect the kind of research that happens in academia to be carried out in the same way in the industry. So they are totally different streams. But if you are really interested into research, or if you want to get into research, then I suggest that you need to get into academia. Like you need to do your masters, and if possible do your doctorate also. And more than this, you need to have an apt for research. Yeah. Research is not something that everyone can do, because like you need to have lots of patience, and failure is the major part here, and most of the times you will be failing, and you need to again come up with different kinds of solutions, and result is something that will not happen in a day or two. Yeah. So if you really have the interest for research, you can always get into academia and do the research. Yeah. But if you get into industry, and if you have an option to do the research there, then it's well and good. But it's very rare to have that.
That's really matter. The perspective of that candidate and what he is really willing to do in his career is most important.
True.
Sir, how did you get started with Python for data science?